Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to stand out as a front-end engineer because only learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript and React is not enough. So I'm going to split the video into two parts. The first part will be uploaded next week. So let's start. First of all, you should learn how custom hooks work. For example, you should learn how use memo works, how use callback works, and spoiler alert, they are exactly the same, but use callback is used for functions. And after that, you should learn some concepts in JavaScript. For example, you should learn how this keyword works, the keyword this. You should learn how prototype works, how memoization works. There are lots of stuff that you can learn that will help you stand out as a front-end engineer. After that, you should learn TypeScript. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript and it's phenomenal. I enjoy using it every day. You should also learn how RESTful API works. You should know the methods like get, post, delete, put, patch. There are lots of them. You should know how they work so it will be easier for you to communicate with the backend team. It will be way easier for you to communicate if you know how RESTful API works. Also, you should learn design patterns. There are three types of design patterns. There are creational, behavioral, and structural. You should learn facade pattern. It is a very popular one that is widely used across the industry. There is singleton. There are lots of design patterns. You should deeply understand them, how they work, and when they're applicable. And after that, you should learn status codes. For example, for one is authorization error, for 4 is not found. You should learn between 100 and 199, it's the informative status code. Between 200 and 299, successful. 300 and 399 is redirecting. 400 and 499 is client errors. And 500 and 599 is server errors. So again, you should not memorize them, you should understand how they work, why they work, and if you don't remember them, it's okay, you can revisit it. You're human. So yeah, that was the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.